Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you want to get a Xiaomi Smart Pet Care Air Purifier, what do you have to be aware of, like the reasons why you shouldn't buy it? So primary thing here is the only designed for areas between like 16 meters square to 27. So you have to be aware of like where you actually have it, and if it's going to cover, like if you have like bigger living room where is your cat and it's got like, I don't know, 40-50 meters square, you just have to be aware it's not going to be sufficient. Also, but the catheter, so this is like another thing for the catheter that you have to be like also aware of. So catheter is like at 230 is decent but not powerful comparing to like maybe other you can have like 400 plus. Also, a max noise level is also noticeable, so that's something to be aware of. And after replacing the filter, you need to manually reset the filter's lifespan by pressing and holding the power button for 7 seconds. So that's like another thing to be aware of. And these are like primarily also it. So yeah, and then also got like filter that you have to be aware of, but primarily be aware of the particle setter and check the competitors for it, and then also check if it's going to be sufficient for the effective coverage area. So thank you very much for watching. Like other than that, is like great for pet owners for killing pet odors, destroy allergens, so that's good. Anti-stress algorithm for pests, super lightweight and compact, crazy energy efficient. So those things are great. Just be aware, okay? So have a great day guys and goodbye.